Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today we're going to do a bunch of equipment work. We got the M4 here hooked to our dump trailer. This is obviously a Bri-Mar. It's a 7x14, 14,000 GVW dump trailer. So we got that hooked to the M4 here today. And one of the things we're going to be cleaning up is this pile here. This came out of our greenhouse. Regular viewers know that we split some firewood over the winter inside there. So there was some old grass, some old hay, some bark, sawdust, things like that I scraped out with the machine. And we're going to take it up and put it in our compost pile where we take the manure and just let it compost down. A couple of years it'll be good stuff. So we've got the New Holland L220 here. I had just thrown it under there out of the way before, so we're going to use that to load this up, and then we're going to head up and we're going to dump this in the compost pile. And then after that we're going to head up. I have some loose hay to clean up in one of my buildings where I store hay, just loose stuff that got all over. And then in the winter time, this past winter, up by one of our goat barns, some of the winter got kind of tough with the snow and everything. So what we ended up doing was we just ended up piling the manure near the barn instead of taking it out on a routine basis. So we have a big pile of manure up there that, again, we're going to load into the dump trailer, and we're going to take it up to where we compost our manure. So a lot of equipment work in this video, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Well, we got a dump trailer fully loaded. She's making the Kubota bite a little bit on this gravel going up the hill. That crap sure is heavy. As you can see, it's starting to get dark, rain in the forecast. So I'm just dumping this off here today and be tucking everything away for the night. Not sure what's going on tomorrow. I'll probably just be working in the garage. So I hope everybody enjoyed this kind of little montage of loading various things with a couple different pieces of equipment. See some stuff in action here. I don't know if you can see the hayfield off to the right there. It's growing. It is above knee high, but we're not quite there yet. So another 2 weeks I think will be set for that. So anyway, that's enough for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up on your way out. I would really appreciate it. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.